So, you want to make some money, but due to world events, the crypto and stock market keeps going down. Are you tired of being out to eat with your girlfriend while there's that one obnoxious guy talking about money, irregardless of world events, looking like Oprah Winfrey talking about you get a crypto, you get a crypto, and you get a crypto? Well, I'm Trevor, and this is Betterment, minting a better life and teaching you how to make money in a bear market. Let me start off by saying this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Warren Buffett, famous investor of all time, has always said, if you can buy $1 for 50 cents, go ahead and do it. You'll always end up in profit. With that being said, I will show you the 30-day chart of Solana price. You see, starting at February 15th, when Vladimir Putin explained his plans to invade Ukraine, we've started seeing a downtrend in price, leading to the bear market that we're currently in. The average price for the last month of Solana sits around $101.15. So when you get to the downtrend, and let's say we get all the way down to $80, that's like buying $1 for 80 cents. Seems like a good deal to me. I bought a lot of Solana around the $82 mark, and I sell it when it gets to about 100. So you're making about a 20% income every time you perform the trade. That's not bad. Price moves would not be very valuable if you didn't know how to trade. So I'm going to show you how to create a FTX account and trade. So if you go to ftx.us, you have to use the US account if you are in the United States of America. You can create an account, and you can see here that it shows you the candle charts. And if you scroll down, you can buy SOL or sell SOL. You can buy other cryptocurrencies too, but I am a firm believer in the Solana project. Not only because I've made a lot of money with them, but also because there's a lot of game development on the Solana blockchain, as well as Magic Eden and Solana, which are two very prominent NFT marketplaces on the Solana ecosystem. So, back to buying and selling SOL. If you go down here and let's say you wanted to place an order, but you wanted to buy your SOL at $88 rather than whatever the current price is, you can create a limit order, which means if the market gets down to a price of $88, your order will be picked up. And also, conversely, if you want to sell SOL at $102, you can create a limit order to sell your SOL automatically for $102. Automating the trading system ensures that when the price reaches the point you want to buy for and sell for, it happens automatically. Crypto never sleeps. It's a 24-hour market. So if you can automate your trades, I say go ahead and do it, because you can make money while you are sleeping. Freaking awesome, man. Moving right along. Now we'll focus on NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. But lazy, what the hell is an NFT? Well, a non-fungible token is a one-of-a-kind item, token, that provides utility to holders, hodlers, or what have you, to access certain memberships or be able to stake the NFT in liquidity pools to earn passive income, or they're just fancy art. But NFTs, needless to say, can make you and me a lot of money. Hopefully you've created an FTX account, because not only can you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you can buy and sell NFTs. So the NFT marketplace on FTX is limited compared to other NFTs, and it does use the Solana blockchain as the main NFT marketplace. So starting out on FTX marketplace for NFTs, we have the In-State Ukraine Aid, which is a pair of sneakers that this NFT was created to aid Ukraine following the invasion, which the NFT is redeemable for actual sneakers. Now, this is not a project I would recommend to flip for quick cash, but just showing you an NFT out of all the NFTs FTX has to offer. Now, if we go over to a more decentralized approach, we have Magic Eden on the Solana chain, which is a NFT marketplace, and we're going to use Cyber Pharmacy as the example. Cyber Pharmacy is a collection of NFTs with a floor price of 1.494 Sol right now. You may ask me, Lazy, how do I make money off NFTs? And what if I don't have the time to research and do all that? Well, luckily, I've got you covered. There's one tool that I use in specific, and it's called Rarity Sniper. In Rarity Sniper, you can find the rarity of NFTs, which directly correlates to price action, and find the rarest NFTs for your buck. So you can see rank number 1, we have 1886, and that's the rarest one. If we go over to Magic Eden, and we see for the 1.4 Sol floor price, number 2956. If we go over to Rarity Sniper, type in 2956, we get a rarity rank of 7,103. Not the greatest, but it's not the bottom either. So let's compare that to the next one for 1.5 Sol, 6816. Type that in right here. It has less rarity, so 2956 would be the better buy for your buck, and it's cheaper. So that's Rarity Sniper for you. Speaking of having you covered, I don't want you guys to have to lift a finger, so I do all this research and look into these projects, and it would be cool if you wanted to research too and get on my Discord so we can chat about the crypto and NFT metaverse. But if you don't want to, or your job requires you to spend all of your time there, I've got you covered. All I ask for in return is that you scroll down and hit the like button. You know, starving YouTube artist. Our third form of money making in a bear market you've probably heard of before, and you're probably fairly confused about what the hell it actually is. It's called yield farming. Beefy.finance. A yield optimizer where you can yield farm and stake tokens. So if you go through Beefy Finance, I'm on the Polygon network as of right now. You can see that rewards are offered for providing liquidity, usually in the form of token pairs, in the form of APY, or annual percentage yield. Now this is real big because in traditional banking, you earn interest per year. So if you have money in the bank, you may earn a 0.02% interest every year. The main difference in cryptocurrency is that the 5.02% annual yield is compounded hourly, daily. So every day on this particular contract, you are earning 0.0134%. Now, that may not seem like a lot, but it adds up. If we scroll down through the site, we can see that there are far more lucrative deals on here. With your tolerated amount of risk, you can take some of these contracts with 114% APY, which leads to a 0.2% daily profit, 0.43% profit. Do your own research. I will have signals on my Discord channel where I can do some of the research for you, but I do urge to do your own research here. There's plenty of contracts out here. There's even 1.15,000% APY. But there is risk associated with these yield farming techniques. I'm going to do something I usually don't like to do, and that's call a project out by name. But I'm giving you guys this project because it has helped me make a lot of money, and I care about you guys. I want you to make money too. I want you to learn how to make money. So the project is called 2ohm.finance. And you can see that it is a yield farming program where you can create 2 ohm and phantom LPs, or liquidity provider tokens, and stake them in the farm. So you can see here that the daily APR, or percentage return, is 1.49% daily. Rewards are paid in 2 shares. And 2 shares are important because you can take them over here to the boardroom and place them in the boardroom for a 13.64% daily profit, which pays you back in 2 ohm, which you can then cut in half for more phantom token, create more LPs, and stake them in the farm again. It's a revolving circle. Now, 2 ohm is a token that is pegged to the price of phantom on the Phantom Opera network. It's important that we keep peg, because if 2 ohm loses peg with phantom, the boardroom stops printing, which means no rewards will be earned. The leader of this project, named Risky, is a fairly intelligent dude, and he's always kept us pretty close to peg. Now, during the bear market, we have lost peg a few times, but the press has been printing. So I just wanted to show you guys this project and, urge you to look into it a little bit. I hope by now all of you cryptoneers have learned quite a bit and are planning your ascent to the moon. Because in crypto, that's what we aim to do, is hit the moon and beyond. So, that brings me to the 4th and final way to make money in a bear market. Leveraging. Now, I strongly urge anybody interested in using this method of making money to do your own research and do not leverage if you have no clue what you're doing in crypto. I am providing videos to try to bring you up to pace, and I also have a Discord where we can chat if you need help. But if you don't know what you're doing in crypto so far, please do not try leveraging. That being said, let's try leveraging. Leveraging is synonymous to betting on the price movement of a particular token. So I'm going to use Solana as an example. Let's say the Solana price is at $101, and you thought that the price is going to go down. So what you could do is, it's called shorting your token, which means you are betting that the price of Solana is going to go down, and you can leverage it at a multiplier. So if I put a 5x multiplier leverage onto shorting Solana, that means if it goes down 1%, I earn 5%. If I put 100x multiplier on it, and it goes down 1%, I earn 100% of whatever I leveraged. Now, the same is true if you think a token price is going to go up. This is called longing a token. So if it's at 101 and you say it's going to go up, and you leverage at 100x and it goes up 1%, you gain 100% on your money. Now, during this February 15th market trend of down and the Russian invasion, if you shorted your Solana when it was at 101 and it went down to 80, that's already a 20% decrease. So if you leverage that 100x, that's 2,000% of your money. That's crazy. So this is for advanced traders, and I do urge you to look into it a little more before you blindly follow my words, but leveraging is a powerful tool to be used by powerful traders. Alright, my fellow cryptoneers, this brings our little video to a close. I hope you've learned a lot, and if I provided real value in this video, go ahead and feel free to click the subscribe button. If you have any questions regarding cryptocurrency or traditional finance, feel free to reach out in the comment section below. I'm Trevor, and this is Betterment, where we aim to mint a better financial life on a daily basis. Let's take financials into our own hands. Let's decentralize happiness. Thank you.